today, and I want to thank everyone for joining on the global stage. And
States, Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, we are good with those countries in Africa and with OIC. We are going by the way, and this is what I want just to draw your attention to convene. First ever OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation Summit in Astana on 10th and 11th of September, by the time of closure of Expo, on the theme Science and Technology and Modernization of Islamic World. And this is my plea to especially to those who are based here in Kazakhstan, is disseminate this information. So it means that we created quite a ground for stability, development, and now it's time to bring investments. And I'm very pleased that American, in fact,
Pakistan is very interested in hearing the opinions of business and foreign diplomats on business planning. Many Kazakhstan